Okay, so on the left is the mockup that I created using Gemini Nano Banana Pro in Google Stitch. And again, this is just a picture. But on the right, there is the code version of the UI version of that mockup. And this one actually is more useful because now we have the code that we can export. We can also start iterating the work based on the UI design that has been created in Google Stitch. So it is now possible to convert the image or screenshot or any concept that you created in Google Stitch directly into a working UI design. So let me show you how you can actually do it. First, let's navigate to stitch.withgoogle.com. And in this case, I'm going to be creating a simple website. And of course, for the mockup, I'm going to be using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So let me switch to web. And after that, I'm going to tell AI that I want to create a simple one-page website that sells decorative plants. There you go. And of course, let me just switch to Gemini Nano Banana Pro, which is the redesign menu, and click generate. So sometimes Google Stitch might ask for some clarification, like what pages that you want to generate, or perhaps what are the colors, the theme, the styles, etc. Sometimes it might ask you those questions, so you probably want to go back and forth with AI to finalize the design. But in this case, apparently it is not asking me for anything, which is good. So it is now creating the mockup design using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, which is a model that is able to do that. And after that, I'm going to turn that into a code. Okay, so we got this simple website. I actually like it. Now, by the way, since this is basically just a picture, you can always modify the picture before finalizing the design. In case you are interested, you can click the picture, click edit, and then click annotate. And after that, you can select the area that you want to modify. For example, you don't like the color, or perhaps you don't like the picture, you can just select the area and then add the instruction to change or replace or delete that item from the design. But I'm not going to do that, so let's just continue to the next step. Let me just exit. And here, to convert the concept into a working UI with code, then you can click this generate button and click code version. So it will start turning this concept into a working UI, and you should be able to get the code that later you can export to other AI tools in case you want to turn that into a real app or website. And by the way, this process might take several minutes to finish depending on the complexity. So I'll just be back and I'll show you the final result of this concept. Okay, so the UI code has been generated and this is the result. I think it is this, and it is not perfect, of course, but it is much closer to be converted into a real website. And speaking about that, you can easily get the code by clicking the more button and then click view code. You can also download the code as a zip format, and then you can use other tools like Google Anti-Gravity or perhaps Google AI Studio to convert that into a website. And speaking about AI Studio, that is actually the export button, and you can export the content directly to AI Studio and you can start building from there. But this feature seems to be glitchy and not very consistent, because sometimes, which happens when I'm showing you this feature right now, it is not actually showing you the prompt. It is also not showing the UI file that has been created in Google Stitch. So that feature is kinda glitchy. So perhaps you want to download the file manually and then upload that to Google AI Studio or Google Anti-Gravity to be turned into an actual website. But yeah, that's essentially how you can generate a mockup using Gemini Nano Banana Pro in Google Stitch and then converting that into a real working UI with the code. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.